how to insert or remove a battery into your GoPro 6 Hero plug. So with the camera naked, without the housing, now you can turn it upside down. So this is the shoot button. So if you turn it around, this is the battery compartment. So push on this button here, push and slide this cover out like so, and it will sprung up. Now this is a small tab right here. You can use it to pull the battery out. So when you first bought the camera, the battery is not inserted, it is outside. So to insert it, again you need to push this button down and slide out the cover. And with the battery right here, so I have the battery facing this way, so with the logo facing towards the camera, and push it down gently. You don't need to use any force, and it comes right into that. Have the flat stays down. Later you can use this flat to pull out the battery, and then we cover the top, and that's it. Now you can just push the cover in and it's locked into place. And we have now successfully completed on how to insert the battery into the GoPro 6 and how you can remove it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.